Let's look at the insert script on a fresh code pane. Insert examplet 6 multi-part forms person insert and save the file in the forms folder as personinsert.php. Collapsing the bits at the top, you'll recall that company people edit provides a form where the action is person insert PHP and method post, and the fields in that form are the 4 fields for a T-person record and then a submit button. So it posts those 4 values, salutation, first name, last name, etc., as defined in those field definitions in company people edit. So we collect those values in the first part of our person insert script. We assign the variable salutation to the posted value of the form field salutation and so on. We also assign the value of company ID. Recall that company ID was also one of the values sent by this form on the company people edit form, but not in the table. We create an insert statement comprising insert into T-person, comma separated list of field names, values, comma separated list of values. We run the query, and then if the query is successful, we use header to send processing straight back to company people edit. With the query string, company ID is set to company ID. If the query fails, we simply print an error message.